Hello everyone, my name is Justice, and today I'm going to be doing a quick walk around of this 2019 Ferrari Portofino, and I will be showing you around this car and things that I have learned about this car. Now, this 2019 Ferrari Portofino is the Ferrari that replaced the Ferrari California T. So this is a better looking and a faster Ferrari than the Ferrari California T. So this Ferrari Portofino is powered by a 3.9 liter twin turbo V8 engine that produces 591 horsepower, and this Ferrari Portofino can accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds, and it has achieved a top track speed of 199 miles per hour, which is pretty impressive. And as you can see, this is a very beautiful Ferrari with awesome features and a lot of upgrades from the Ferrari California T. The powerful 3.9 liter V8 engine that powers this beautiful Ferrari Portofino is paired with a 7-speed auto shift manual transmission, which plays a very important role in the performance of this Ferrari. And if you are wondering what the exterior color of this Ferrari is called, it's called the Blue Mirabu Metallic, and the interior color is Coil color. And if you are wondering, I don't know if I pronounced it right, but it's an Italian name. This is a convertible, and this car has 3,652 miles on it currently. One special thing with this Ferrari is that it has factory optional features that worth over $29,883, making it a very expensive Portofino. So some of this option includes the optional full electric seats, optional carbon fiber steering wheel, optional magnet dual mode suspension, yellow brake calipers that cost a lot, front grille with chrome edges, colored upper dashboard. So yeah, this is a very expensive Ferrari Portofino. So tell me what you think about this car. I will be happy to answer any questions that you have, and just tell me what you think, and please enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.